Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Somebody was on about this hotel the other night. Hotel Villa Benidorm. Look at a bit of a sorry state at the moment. It's been closed. I don't think there's been a lot going on. Maintenance. Put it down a little bit. There's the entrance, obviously not been open since lockdown. Don't really know what's happening with it. I suppose like most other hotels are open this year sometime. We'll just have to wait and see. There's a lot to show you that while we're walking past. Somebody was on about, I think it was last night, on the live stream. I do live streams on Wednesdays and Sundays. If anybody new to the channel, come and join us. 8 o'clock in Spain, 7 o'clock in the UK. On both nights. Just do a general chat about things normally. Have a bit of a quiz on Sunday. A few quiz questions. People seem to be enjoying it, so we'll carry on doing it. Okay, over the road there you can see another apartment getting revamped. I think that's what they're doing anyway. There doesn't seem to be much going on this one. Supermarket and stuff underneath. And somebody with purple hair. Say hi, Marcus.
Hi, guys.
Come in the sun a bit. That's it, we got you. There you are, that's Marcus' new purple hair. Trouble is he goes out now and nobody recognises it. Right, isn't it, Marcus?
Yeah.
They're all looking for his green hair. I'll have to do a few more videos and then he'll be back. I think, getting recognised again. Don't forget to check out his channel, Benidorm Crazy Marcus. If you like my channel, go and have a look at this. It's similar to mine, but it's done in a more youthful way, shall we say.
Yeah, cooks like that.
Just a slightly different take on things. A few of the bars still open at the moment. We've got this thing over here now where the bars are going to be shut by 5 o'clock. I think this is just going to last till the end of the month. I'm not absolutely sure. We just have to see how it goes. As I say, things can change daily here in Spain at the moment. I think they just thought this would be a better idea than going to a full lockdown. Because of all the problems with the full lockdown. Not least the mental health problems that it causes. I think we all went a bit scatty when we were locked down, didn't we, Marcus?
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you're enjoying the videos. As I say, if you're new to the channel, thank you, Marcus. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you've been with us a while, like the video if you can. Gets us noticed in a few more searches. And it makes YouTube think I'm the best thing since sliced bread. Or maybe not. But it does help. Just talking about the casino now. There it is. I'm not sure whether it's open at the moment. Maybe find out while we go past here. Well, there's a board out, so I should imagine it's open.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's open there. Take all your money off you. I'm glad when everything's reopened. Looking a little bit sorry for itself, Benidorm, at the moment. Just the lack of people here. We are still seeing one or two tourists. Like Marcus and Sue seen somebody coming in from the UK the other day. Well, we've got a suitcase with a London theme on it. No, bought it over here. Just live here, I don't know. I know it's going to be a bit more paperwork now to come over. But I think it's still going to be a bumpy year this year if we can get this virus sorted. Right, we're going to finish off at the Hop here. Hop. We've always known it as Hop. First time I heard of it, I thought, oh, we're going for a drink. No. One thing they don't sell. There's a cow. With its mask on, of course. There we go. Okay guys, we're going to leave the video here. Like and subscribe as normal, and we'll see you on the next one.